Hello and welcome. To convert the M4A audio file to WAV, begin by launching the Music app. We need to change the Music app's configuration to be able to use the WAV encoder. Click on Music on the menu bar and choose Preferences from the menu. On the window that opens, select the Files tab and then click on the Import Settings button below. On the next window that pops open the Import Using drop-down menu, select WAV encoder and click OK. Click OK again. The Music app is now properly configured and we start the conversion process. Click on File on the menu bar and choose Import from the menu. Using the window that opens, find and select your M4A audio file and then click Open. Now choose the songs under the library section and then select the audio file you just imported. With your audio file selected, click on File on the menu bar and choose Convert, and then select Create WAV version. Once converted, right-click on the new file and choose Show in Finder. Here is your WAV audio file. Please like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.